Good morning, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone.
So we have to start the chapter volume.
Yes. Chapter number 21, volume. Everyone, please open your copies and book. Write down the name of the chapter in your copy. Volume. Is anyone having a balloon?
Sir.
Good afternoon, beta. Is anyone having a balloon right now?
Sir, I have balloon. Sir,
Can
I
you?
have balloon.
So those who have a balloon, can you take it out?
Okay, sir.
Can you bring it?
So this term we also heard in our science book.
Volume.
What we are doing?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I brought a balloon. Sir, this is
We are just starting the chapter, volume, chapter number 21, volume. And
Sir, but sir means the maths or science are same.
something,
No, sir.
actually they all are related subjects. Maths is used in many fields.
Because sir, the
Okay.
chapter measurement of mass is in our science book.
Everything, actually maths is there in all the subjects, almost all the subjects. You have to use somewhere or the other. Math is used in all the places. When you solve numericals in science, you use maths. In measuring in geography, that means in your subject social studies, also maths is used. In measuring the dimensions of maps and the places, how much distance is there between two places. So in all these things, we use maths. Okay. Okay, ready, all of you? I am just trying to explain you the concept of volume. Okay, don't fill air in the balloon right now.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay, so everyone, those who have balloons, please can you start your video?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So I'm putting Shaurya and Apurva on spotlight.
Good morning, sir.
Their screen will be visible to everyone. So Shaurya and Apurva, can you show your balloon to everyone on the screen? Yes. See the balloon that Shaurya and Apurva have in their hand. And Dev Arya also has a balloon in his hand. He's trying to fill air in the balloon. Very good. That is a very good thing. So Dev Arya, you also please show your balloon to everyone. Can you all see Dev Arya also on the screen? So
Yes,
Shaurya
sir.
and Apurva, just take the balloon a little backward. Yes, correct. So Dev Arya, can you just take out some air from your balloon a little bit? Take some more air out of it. Some more, a little more, a little more, a little more. Yeah, that's it. That's enough. Okay, very good. So all of you, can you all see both of them on the screen? Everyone?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can't
Yes,
see?
sir.
No, sir. In my screen only you are coming.
Beta, just move your screen and you will be able to see Dev Arya and Shaurya and Apurva on the screen. Samriddhi, can you see?
No, sir. Sir,
Samriddhi, can you?
the
Can,
Devari and Shaurya Purva are coming. Their screen is coming black.
The screen is coming black. Can you turn off your camera, Samrid? Your network
Sir,
is
turn
not
off.
good. Now can you see them?
Yes, sir. Now Shore is coming, and now Devarya is also coming.
Okay, very good. So yes, all of you. Can you see both of them on your screen now? Now what I'm trying to
Yes,
show
sir.
you is that the air filled inside Devarya's balloon, you can see that the amount of air filled inside that balloon is less, and the amount of air that is filled inside Shaurya and Apurva's balloon is more. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
है ना?
Yes, sir.
How can you say this? Why are you saying this?
Sir, because of the size.
Let
Sir,
me tell you
because
the reason.
the
Because of the
Shore balloon is
size.
more bigger.
Amount of air in Devarya balloon is less.
Because of the looking at the size, you can say. Am I right? So can I say that space that Devarya's balloon is occupying is less as compared to the space occupied by Shaurya and Apurva's balloon is more. Space occupied. Are you getting the meaning of the word space occupied by the balloon? That means कितनी जगह वो घेर रहा है, balloon कितनी जगह घेर रहा है.
Area and space
बस.
are similar something. Similar.
Very similar, very similar. Space occupied. If suppose an object is occupying more space, then its volume is more. And if the space occupied is less, then its volume is less. Are you all getting the point?
Yes, sir.
So very good, Shaurya and Apurva and Devarya. Thank you so much for your help. Very good, excellent. You all are excellent. Okay, so can you all see the shared screen now?
Yes, sir.
So I am going to draw two rooms of the same size on the screen. So this is room number 1 and
Sir, we have
same
to
room.
also-
Huh? No, don't
Sir,
draw anything. Nahi, beta, I am just explaining the concept. So these are two rooms of the same size. Now there are balloons in both the rooms. Suppose
No, sir. The second room is looking more bigger.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, मान लो same है size. So which room has a bigger balloon?
Sir, the room 2. Sir, room 2 has a bigger.
second. Yes, sir.
The room number 2 has a bigger balloon. The size is same of both the rooms. Okay. The room number 2 is looking a little bigger. Now it is okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
That is fine.
this balloon is smaller. It is occupying. Why it is smaller? Because it is occupying less space in the room. कौन सा balloon ज्यादा जगह को घेर रहा है?
Second balloon.
or
Sir,
second balloon?
room 2. Sir, room 2.
Second balloon is occupying more space in the room. So we can say that the volume of the second balloon is more. Its volume is more. Right? Its volume is more. That is why it is occupying more space in the room. Okay. And the first balloon is small. Its size is less. It is occupying less space in the room. So we can say that its volume is less. Clear? Are you all getting the meaning of volume? What is volume? I am giving you the definition of volume now. Volume is the space
Sir, the
occupied
space
by.
required by an object is called volume.
Very good. Space occupied by an object is known as the volume. Have you all understood what is volume?
Sir, we can say
Yes,
if
sir.
sir, we can say volume is similar to area.
Very close to area, but there is a difference between area and volume. area is calculated for 2D shapes, two-dimensional shapes, plane surfaces. Rectangle is a plane surface. Am I right?
Yes,
So
sir.
we can find area of rectangle. Square is a plane surface. We can find area of a square. But volume is calculated for 3D objects. What are 3D
Sir,
objects?
I want
3D
to ask
objects.
one question from area and
So like
parameters.
dice is a 3D object.
3D
So,
objects are those which you can hold in your hand. This is a
Okay, sir.
3D object in my hand. I can hold it in my hand. I cannot hold a rectangle in my hand. I cannot hold a circle in my hand. You can make a rectangle on a piece of paper and you can hold that piece of paper, not the rectangle. If you are making a rectangle on a paper, आपके दिमाग में ये आया होगा, let's draw a rectangle on the piece of paper and hold it in my hand. That is not a rectangle. That is a piece of paper which is again a 3D object. What you are holding in your hand is a 3D object. Paper is a 3D object,
Like our copy is a rectangle.
three-dimensional object. Okay, everyone, are you all getting my point? 3D object and 2D object, what is the difference?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
very good. So please keep your videos on. So we find volume only of 3D objects, not of two-dimensional objects, not of a plane surface. We don't find volume of plane surface because plane surface don't occupy space. If an object is three-dimensional, then it occupies space. ये जो मेरे हाथ में 3D object है, this is a pack of talcum powder. So it is in my hand. You all can see it is a 3D object. Why it is a 3D object? Because it is occupying some space in the room. ये थोड़ी जगह घेर रहा है ना मेरे रूम में. अगर मैं इसको बाहर निकाल दूंगा, it will stop occupying space inside my room. Am I right?
So, sir, we can say all the things in real life are the 3D objects.
Everything which you can hold in your hand, which you can see with your eyes, they have some length, breadth, and height. They have
air-
some thickness. They have. Sorry.
Sir, air is a 2D object or 3D?
Air is actually the particles which are there in the air are 3D. Air constitutes of many things. Small particles are there in air. Okay, so
Yes.
those are again which you cannot see with your eyes. They are very small microscopic particles. Have you ever heard of this term, microscopic?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
it
sir.
is used to. Sir, it is very tiny particles that we cannot see with our naked eye.
Okay, so yes, like Iram said, microscopic means those particles which are very small. We cannot see with our naked eyes. We need some
Sir,
a special type of lenses, microscope kind of thing, so to see those objects. Okay, so they are also 3D. Yes, Ashvik.
Sir, I didn't understand the meaning of 2D objects.
2D objects are those 2D are not objects. 2D are shapes, not objects. Plane
Okay, sir.
surfaces. Okay.
2D are the shapes which we draw in the copies.
2D means something which has only length and breadth. They don't have any height. They don't have any thickness. Okay. This mobile phone is a 3D object. Why it is a 3D object? Because it has length and breadth, and it also has a thickness. You can see it has some thickness. Am I right?
Yes.
So this is 3D.
Yes, sir. And it
Something
has
which
height
has only length and breadth but has no thickness at all. No thickness at all. So that thing you cannot hold in your hand. If something which does not have any thickness, you cannot hold it in your hand. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So that is 2D.
Yes, sir.
Got it? So plane surfaces are 2D. I cannot, if I draw something on the screen, my screen is a plane surface. So it is a 2D object. Okay, screen is a 2D object. If I hold the mobile phone or the laptop which I am using, that is 3D. But the surface, if I talk about only the surface, that is 2D. Are you all getting the point?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So
Sir,
volume.
there is 1D objects also.
No, beta. There 1D objects. A point is a 1D object. A line is a 1D object. Sorry, line is
Okay,
a
sir.
1D object. Line, because line you can increase the length of a line only in either this
So there is
direction
4D
or in this
object
direction.
also.
No, beta. In real life, there is no 4D object. Line is an example of 1D object. Okay, line has only one dimension. This. Okay,
So what
so
are
it is 1D.
Okay, sir.
1D objects which have only one dimension. There is no thickness, no length in a line. Line में सिर्फ एक ही चीज होती है ये this thing. Either you can produce it here or here. You can. There is no thickness in a line. Okay. And no breadth in a line. There is only length. Line में क्या है? सिर्फ length है. There is no breadth, no thickness. Am I right? So it
Yes,
is
sir.
one dimensional. So volume, we all have understood what is the meaning of volume. Space occupied by an object is volume. The capacity of an object is volume. Now I will be drawing a 3D object on the screen. You will identify what type of 3D object is it. I'm going to draw it on the screen, everyone. Pay attention and tell me what kind of 3D object is this, which I'm drawing on the screen.
So like dice is a
Sir,
3D
this is a
object.
cuboid.
Yes, sir.
Something like a cuboid.
The cuboid. Sir, it is.
So like we draw a dice, so it will be a 2D or 3D
So
object.
the my screen is 2D, but you can see with the help of some special way of drawing, it is looking like 3D. Am I right? It is looking a 3D object.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the top surface that I have shaded. This is the top surface of the cuboid. Clear?
So we can also make it.
Yes, you will make it. Name the figure as cuboid. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, we will make in
A
our copy.
cuboid has a length.
Figure cuboid.
Yes, draw the figure cuboid in your copy like this only. It has a length, it has a breadth. This is the breadth
Sir,
of
what
the
heading we
cuboid,
have to give?
and this is the height. Just draw the figure and name the heading and give the heading cuboid. Okay. Draw the figure and give the heading cuboid. And this is the height of the cuboid. Drawn, all of you. So there is a mathematical way
Sir,
of
please wait for 2
finding.
minutes.
Yes. There is a formula which can be used to find the volume of an object of a cuboid. The formula of finding the volume of a cuboid, I'm going to write it here. Volume of a cuboid. A cuboid has 3 dimensions, length, breadth, and height. So if we just multiply the length and the breadth and the height, we can find the volume, that how much space the cuboid will occupy in your room. You can find it by just multiplying the length, breadth, and height. So if you want to find out if there is a box in your room, measure the length, breadth, and height of the object and multiply it. You can find out easily that how much space it is occupying inside the room. In fact, your room itself has some volume. Do you know that your room also has some volume? A room is also in the shape of cuboid, am I right or not? What is the shape of your room? It is a cuboid.
Cuboid.
Yes, it has some length, breadth, and height. So it is a big cuboid. Your room is a big cuboid. You can measure the length, breadth, and height of the room.
Sir, but it do not occupy space.
It occupies space. It is occupying space in your house. Am I right or not? Look at your house.
Okay, sir.
Even your house is a 3D object. Your house is also occupying space. Do you know where your house is occupying space? Your house is occupying space from your colony. Am I right? From the society you are living, your house is occupying some space in that. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Ah,
So, like everything we build in the world occupies the space of the world.
yes. Okay, all of you, written. So the next shape that we are going to do is a cube. Learn about a cube. What is a cube? Cube is also a type of 3D object. Can you give an example of a cube, all of you? Rubik's cube, everyone has seen.
Dice.
Yes, sir.
Dice, very good. Ludo. Have you all played Ludo?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have you ever seen a dice of a Ludo?
Yes, sir.
So what is the shape? What is the shape of a dice?
Sir, sir, cube.
It is
Sir,
a cube. Yes, very good. What is so special about a cube? What is the difference between a cube and cuboid?
Sir,
cuboid is
Sir,
in the shape of a rectangle and cube is in the shape of a square.
rectangle, two rectangles, and sir, cube is a two square made up of.
A cuboid is having 6 surfaces. Cube is also having 6 surfaces. Surface, do you understand? See, let me show you a box. Let me take my mobile phone only. So this mobile phone has 6 surfaces. Okay. Not a good 3D object. I'm not having anything in the shape of cuboid right now with me. Okay, so I hope you all understand that a cuboid, if you see, if you count the number of rectangles in a cuboid, how many rectangles are there in a cuboid? There are 6 rectangles. You know, that means it has 6 surfaces. In a cube, there are 6 squares. That means the difference between a cube and a cuboid is that cuboid is made up of, the surfaces are only rectangular, and in a cube, the surfaces are square. Okay, so this is a cube. Only square surfaces are there. The shapes are square. Okay, whereas in a cuboid, the surfaces are rectangular. In a cuboid, all the sides are equal, all the dimensions are equal. Length is same as breadth and same as height.
Cuboid has a rectangle.
Cuboid is made up of 6 surfaces which all are rectangular in shape. All the 6 surfaces. Count the surfaces if you have a cuboid. Count the surfaces, it has 6 rectangles. Okay, cube has 6 squares. So volume of a cube. Volume of a cube is equal to side of the cube multiplied by side of the cube multiplied by side. 3 times you multiply the side. What is the area of a square? Side into side. What is the volume of a cube? Side into side into side. 3 times. So if the side is A, suppose we can say that the volume of a cube is A into A into A. Have you all written?
Yes, sir. Sir, we have to write this also. Volume of a cube A multiplied by A multiplied by
Yes.
A.
Yes, yes. You have to write.
Sir, can I show you
The
cubes?
volume of a cube side multiplied by side. Sir, this is just near to the area of the square.
Area of a square. Square has only 2 dimensions. So area of a square is side into side. Okay, and cube has 3 dimensions. So the volume is side into side into side. Okay. Who is singing this song? Keep your mics off.
Sir, Iram.
Iram was
Sir,
singing.
my mic is off.
No, no,
Sir,
Iram was
Dev.
not. It was not the Iram's voice. Dev was singing. Dev beta.
Sir, but Dev is not in the class.
I think he has left it.
Sir, today I have bring a magnifying glass to sir see many sir
Particles.
small things. Yes.
Very good. So what have you
Sir,
seen
and
with
today
this?
is Iram's birthday also.
Iram, is it your birthday today?
Yes, sir.
Arey wow, very good. Congratulations. Happy birthday.
So that's why only, sir, I have received
Bought
a
a,
gift.
acha, you have got a gift. From whom you have got this
Yes.
gift?
Sir, my mother friend, sir, my mother friend.
Your mother's friend has given you this gift. A lens.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Magnifying glass.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Do you know what is a magnifying glass? What is the shape of a magnifying glass?
Yes,
It is
sir,
The magnifying glass is used to see the microscopic
what type of lens it is? It is known as a convex lens. Okay. Magnifying glass is a convex lens.
Okay, sir.
Sir, how magnifying glass are made?
That I will have to search how it is made. Okay, done all of you. Can we start with the exercise now?
Sir, do you know a fact about Galileo Galilei? Sir, the telescope that Galileo Galilei has made, sir, it
Hmm.
was the lens of that telescope he has bought from a glass shop. Sir, a glass shop.
Yes,
Sir, the
sir,
lenses.
many lenses he bought and sir make a telescope.
Very good. Very intelligent person. So do you all know that you also have a lens in your mobile
Yes,
and
sir,
laptop?
Sir,
Laptop may be hand
Yes, sir,
lenses.
yes, sir.
So use those lenses
Sir,
and please start your
I'm
video.
not
I mean
wearing
to say this.
lenses. Sir,
Your
lens.
specs also have lens, but your mobile and laptop also have lenses. So use those lenses and keep your videos on. This is what I mean to say. Start your videos. Use the lenses. Okay, done, everyone. So we are now going to start the exercise number 21.1. Question A.
Please show it again.
You want to see something?
Yes, sir, I want to write the volume.
Written.
You see, please wait for 1 minute. You can. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So exercise 21.1. We are starting with question A, first part. You don't have to draw the figure in your copy now. Don't draw the figure in the copy. What is the shape? Just tell me the shape of the figure.
Sir, cuboid. Sir,
It is a cuboid. So write down the name of the shape first. And now write down the length, breadth, and height which are given in the figure. What is the length? 8 centimeter.
8 centimeter.
Breadth,
Sir,
breadth,
2 centimeter.
2
2
centimeters. Height,
Sir, 5 centimeter.
5
5
centimeters. Now write down the formula of volume. You have to find the volume. L into B into H. Written.
Yes, sir.
Find out the volume, all of you. 8 into 2 into 5.
See, there are only 2 ships.
Everyone, please pay attention. It is very important thing coming up. Unit of volume, centimeter cube. Cube means power 3. Centimeter raised to the power 3. This is known as centimeter cube. Got it, all of you? So volume is, the unit of volume is centimeter cube or meter cube. Okay. Depending on what the length, breadth, and height are given. So this is the answer. Understood how to do the question?
Yes, sir.
80 centimeters square. Don't make any mistakes when you are writing the units. Okay.
In area we put 2 and in volume we put 3.
Yes.
Sir, second one is cube.
In case of area, the unit is centimeter square. That means the power is 2. And in case of volume, the unit is centimeter cube. Centimeter cube. That means the
Sir,
volume
second
is.
one is cube.
Second one is cube. Sorry. The shape in the second question, it is not a cube. It is again a cuboid because the height is different. So again, we will name it as a cuboid, not a cube. Okay. The power is 3. Okay. When you are writing the unit, you will write centimeter raised to the power 3, which is known as centimeter cube. Start doing the second part, all of you. Write the name of the shape. The name of the shape is cuboid. Again, cuboid. Write down the length, breadth, and height. Write down the formula. Find the volume and post your answer in the group. Post answers of both the parts, first and second part, both.
Excuse
Yes.
me, sir. So what is the difference between a cuboid and a cube?
The difference is that in a cuboid, the surfaces are rectangular, and in a cube, the surfaces are square. Length, breadth, and height are equal. In a cube, the length, breadth, and height are same. In a cube,
Okay.
everything is same. In a cuboid, the length, breadth, and height are different. Sorry?
Sir, I have, sir, in 20.1 A1, sir, the first figure is, sir, it is a rectangle. Sir, I
Cuboid,
think it is a
cuboid,
cube.
cuboid.
Yes, sir, cuboid.
And second one is
Sir,
also
there are two
cuboid.
figures named too. Sir, there are two figures named too. Sir, the figure that is on right side and the on down
No,
side.
no,
Sir,
no,
both
no,
are
no,
two.
no, 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 no. That there is a printing mistake. The green
Okay,
figure
sir.
is figure number 4. Make it 4 instead of 2. Okay, this green figure is figure number 4. Your blue figure, can you see the blue figure? That is your second one. Samrid and Nihit have posted the answer of the second part. Length, breadth, height 557. 5 into 5 into 7. Beta 5 into 5 into 7. Samrid is 175. You have written 185. Unit is correct.
Yes, sir. Sir, why mistakenly I have added one number, that is 8.
Correct it.
The calculations are where I have done, then I have checked and I found that
Nihit,
there will be 7, not 8.
Okay. Nihit, you have written 170. It is 175. 175 centimeter cube. Nihit, correct your answer. Second one. First you multiply 5 with 5, you get 25. Then multiply 25 and 7, you will get 175. Got it, Nihit? You have not mentioned the name of the shape, Nihit, in both the parts. Nihit
Sir, I have again
Agarwal.
sent it the corrected answer.
Checking it. Correct answer, very good. 175 centimeter cube.